got lots of goodies, lots of good stuff's been happening. Mainly to be showing you the valve springs. I finally got the tool working through these cleans. I finally got around to putting in valve springs. I've got half the cylinders are done. I'll show you the rest, but I'll just run you through some of the extra little goodies I've got in the last couple of days, and I'll show you where I've been, what I've been doing in all this with all of Corona going on, been stuck at home. I'll show you what's happened, what I've got, where I'm at, because I've got a lot of stuff. Alright, so we finally got, well, did have a turbo, got the wrong one, and then I've gone back and got another one. Now, this, I believe, I haven't actually fully done my research just yet, but from the ad, it's a GTP 38. So, yes, it's off diesel. It was originally off a, the guy said he had it on a 187, but it was just, it was too laggy for him, he didn't like it, so he sold it. I said to him, I'm like, oh, I'll just do some research, see if it's okay putting a diesel one on my petrol engine. And he's like, oh, it would suit a barrel. I was going to put it on mine, but the one I've got on there is good enough. And I'm like, well, funny you mentioned that. That's exactly what I'm doing. Anyway, so, this thing's heavy. T4 twin scroll entry, which is fantastic. I love twin entry. Now being T4, the standard Barra manifold is T3, which I should have expected. I have actually ordered the T3 to T4 adapter plate from Armbar, which looks like a sick kit, actually to make it. So that's in the mail, that should be here soon. I'll show you in a second, but I've got all my bits which I'm stoked about. Anyway, this has got a external wastegate made by Tile. TIL, I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but it's an American company. It's black, it looks cool. It's actually only oil cooled too, so it's just oil. So I think I'm going to have to run an oil cooler line for that one. So I'm going to be running a lot of cooling lines, a lot of like cooling, just coolers. Like it's got to have power. I got the standard one for the power steering that's off the car. I got to have the transmission one, which for the ZF is the one that's on there currently is a water to air. It's a water to air radiator. But honestly, I'm not a fan of that, and because I don't know what radiator I'm going to put in there just yet. It probably won't have the lines, and I'm not too sure how to go about wiring plugging that up. But the factory one that was on the XG for that gearbox is big enough. It's pretty big, so I'll probably end up reusing that, going to air to air, and then an oil line cooler for this thing just to help for the app cooling with it. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited. This thing's heavy. This thing is heavy. As in, if I'm still in ISO in the next 2 weeks when my adapter plate gets here, I'll be doing bench curls with the manifold on this. Just being able to go, right, that's heavy. Now, don't mind the box, this is just what he gave it to me in. So, we have the, this is a BA, so that was even better. The fact that I know it's going BA to BA. Turbo manifold, we've got it. So the factory low mount, which looks rusty as hell, in all honesty. But I've got wire brushes, rust converter, I'll fix that up. See how that all goes. I love that they are studs, they're cool. I will probably be investing in some exhaust manifold studs, just because security and reliability. That's manifold. We've got the infamous crossflow. I don't even know what to call it, if it's called a crossflow, but basically it's the XR6 turbo bit. I love the look of this thing. I love this thing so much. Just gonna make it look good. I mean, it could probably look clean with all aftermarket bits, but at the same time, factory bits are just cool, especially the XR6 too. Alright, that's that one. This feels like Christmas, I'll say. So he's got the factory dump pipe because he's given me the rear housing from the original one, but there's no way I can. The compressor wheel, the turbine wheel and the turbine housing on the other one, they will not be compatible, and there's no way I'm running the risk of that. But hey, again, bus converter, might sell this off. See if there's somebody out there that wants it. I might even pull the wastegate a bit just to give it a little bit of extra more piping. Give it a wastegate actuator, which again I don't really need, but it was a kit he was selling, so it's cool. And heat shielding. This stuff apparently is quite hard to come by. So the fact that I've got this is just going to make me feel a little bit safer about my paint and everything else. But that's, yeah. Alright, so two of the more notary little bits we've got are Boundary Racing oil pump gears, which takes this thing to another level for me. As I was saying before with the rods, if I upgrade those rods and do this, then indestructible. But anyway, future, we'll see when we get there. So yeah, so these are billet oil pump gears from the US. I know Atomic Racing makes some here in Australia. This is just off, who did I get these off? I got these off Plaza Man, their website, as well as next thing I'm going to show you. But these are shiny. I really like the shiny compared to, I think Atomic's just a black finish, black anodized. They look cool. If you want to support local guys that think they believe they're in Melbourne, go do that, it's fine. These are just one of the better options I can find. So I've got those and I'm really keen. I'll show you how to install those when I get there, but that's just something to look forward to. Studs. We got head studs. Again, same website. These are actually made by Plaza Man. They're about half the price of ARP. I know you may say I get what I pay for, but we'll find out. They are rated, I think they're rated for 750 kilowatts. So I'm honestly pretty keen to get those in there. I did install them a little while back, but then head gasket wouldn't go over the top of them, and then yeah, I couldn't get the head cylinder down on it, so I figured I'll wait and I'll do that later. But yeah, these things I'm actually pretty keen for. They're about, I think they were 290. So yeah, definitely a little bit cheaper compared to ARP. If you trust the brand, that's more than fine. Go support it, it's fine. Again, my main goal of this build is performance budget, a budget on a performance on a budget. So it's just I'm taking the hit if it's cheap and it doesn't work. So don't stress about it. But yeah, they make me really excited. I've got all my bits. Like I've got my gasket set. That's actually fandangled and everywhere, so I can't really show you that. Some of it's installed, the head gasket's on there. I probably got a bit preemptive with that, but yeah. Some gaskets on, and I've replaced the valve stem seals. Alright, so half the springs are in, as you can see from that shop floor. One cylinder, 1, 2, and halfway, 3/4 of the way down on cylinder 4, cylinder 3, sorry, no, yeah, cylinder 3. All the new valve stem seals are in. The valves have been cut or reground by hand using the valve lapper tool. It's just tool pro, picked up super cheap for about 20 bucks. Suction cups on, regrounded. Make sure the valve area is clean and the valve itself, as you can see, I've still got a little bit of compound on the valve. We'll make sure that I get that cleaned off before it goes in, because if there's any compound left on the valve, it will start to grind away as it works, which is, yeah, not good.
I realised I probably should have started by placing these valve stem seals on. They're all the same. Oh, the metal, lovely. They've got a little spring on them. Should just be a matter of just pushing down finally. Too much damage. Best trick is actually to put a socket. Find a socket that'll fit it. And in my case, it's going to be 18mm deep socket. So, honestly, leave that. Extender, mallet, light tap, on, and seal. Alright, so if you can see, this thing is currently strapped down. That's my more or less umbilical cord on it because it's just so hard to reach these little cylinders. If it sits on the bench, it's lopsided, it'll fall. There's no secure way to do it for me. So I figured I'd give it a bit of the umbilical cord, but yeah, at least take that off for now. Unfortunately, during the process, I lost a retainer. So I'm going to have to try and source another one because that's just an absolute mess under there. Which just means I've got 2 more cylinders to go. So I'm going to get online, see if I can order a couple of retainers, and then we'll come back to this. So if you decide to do this, just make sure you have this on a clean surface and something you can catch stuff with underneath you, because yeah, losing a retainer is definitely a bit of a setback. But as you would see in the hyperlapse, I've got my assembly lead. Just a trick. A little dab on the retainer helps stick it to the valve stem. Helps it stick into the grooves while the spring comes back up, and helps to avoid it just shooting off. So just a little tip there for you. But yeah, a little bit disappointed about that, but hey, I've only got 2 more cylinders to go, so it's definitely progress.
If you've not followed me on Instagram, go check that out because that's got updates of when I've gotten stuff and what I've got. A few little interesting developments on the turbo things, as in I brought the wrong one. There's a little video there, go check that out at Schmitty's XG Barra Swap. Sorry, Schmitty_XG_ Barra Swap. XG Swap, yeah, that's it. I get confused even though I made the name up. Seriously, go check that out. You can always use the followers so you guys can get updates and everything else like that. I don't want to be one of those guys who's like, oh, like and subscribe to the video, hey, you do what you want. I'm just here to help you out, show you what I'm up to, and if you like it, let me know what's going on.